What if I told you the average SUV costs nearly $10,000 a year to maintain? Sounds insane, right? Here's the truth. Not all SUVs are money pits. Some quietly cross 400,000, even 500,000 miles with nothing more than oil changes, filters, and good driving habits. In today's video, we're counting down the top 10 SUVs that truly last forever. The longest lasting, most reliable SUVs with no major repairs, high reliability, and real-world proof of going the distance. Let's dive in.
Number 10. Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback practically invented the crossover segment. It's a 4WD legend that combines car comfort with SUV durability. Most Outbacks easily cross 200,000 miles, and many reach 300,000 with nothing more than basic maintenance. Mechanics love them. These cars simply don't show up in the shop often. The 2.4-liter turbo engine adds power without sacrificing longevity, and Subaru's symmetrical AWD keeps wear and tear balanced even in harsh conditions. Best year to buy? The 2020 Outback. Strong safety ratings, modern tech, and reliability that rivals Toyota. This is the kind of long-lasting SUV that proves comfort and endurance can go hand in hand.
Number 9. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 is America's best-selling SUV, and it's easy to see why. It's one of the most reliable 7-seater alternatives on the market. Simple, efficient, and built like a tank. Owners report crossing 300,000 miles with no major repairs. And because Toyotas hold their value, your RAV4 can be worth nearly as much as newer competitors even years later. Buying a RAV4 isn't just smart, it's financially genius. Few SUVs combine fuel economy, resale strength, and long-distance dependability like this one. Best to buy? 2019 through 2021 models, modern safety, and proven reliability. Number 8. Acura RDX. Here's a luxury SUV that doesn't punish you with repair bills. The Acura RDX. Between 2013 and 2018, it shared the same 3.5-liter V6 and transmission as the Honda Pilot, meaning you're basically getting a luxury Honda in disguise. That combo gives you premium comfort, leather interiors, and Honda-level reliability. Many RDXs hit 150,000 miles easily with just routine oil and fluid changes. And because it's technically a luxury model, some buyers are surprised to find insurance rates even cheaper than smaller crossovers like the Ford Escape. If you want a used luxury SUV with no major repairs, the Acura RDX is one of the best to buy, hands down. Number 7. Hyundai Santa Fe. The Hyundai Santa Fe might not have had the best reputation years ago, but things have changed. Today, it's backed by a 10-year by 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, meaning you get built-in peace of mind. Owners regularly report 200,000 miles with no drama. It's a 7-seater SUV option with solid comfort, low insurance costs, and excellent fuel economy. If you're after a used SUV with high reliability that's easy on the wallet, the Santa Fe is a hidden gem, especially for family road trips and long-distance drives.
Number 6. Lexus LX. Now we move into the luxury SUV realm, and the Lexus LX reigns supreme. Underneath that elegant exterior hides the heart of a Toyota Land Cruiser, known for lasting 500,000 miles. These SUVs are the longest-lasting luxury vehicles ever built. Some overseas have crossed 1 million miles. Sure, fuel economy is modest at 15 to 17 mpg, but the trade-off is immortality. A used Lexus LX might cost more up front, but depreciation is practically zero. Once you own one, you might never need another SUV again. If you want a luxury 4WD SUV that lasts forever, this is the gold standard. Number 5. Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 is proof you don't need a Toyota badge to get reliability. RepairPal gives it 4.5 out of 5 stars for reliability, putting it among the top 10 long-lasting SUVs in its class. Mazda's decision to use a 6-speed automatic instead of a CVT pays off big time. Fewer breakdowns, smoother performance, and simpler maintenance. Stick to the 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine and you'll easily reach 200,000 miles or more. It's stylish, affordable, and more fun to drive than most compact SUVs. Number 4. Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester is a bulletproof SUV. No exaggeration. Consumer Reports gives it a 98 out of 100 reliability score, and owners consistently praise its durability. Subaru's AWD system is legendary, and modern CVTs are far more reliable than older versions. Change the transmission fluid every 30,000 miles, and this SUV can last a lifetime. If you live in areas with harsh weather or off-road trails, this is one of the best 4WD SUVs to buy that won't let you down. Number 3. Honda CR-V. You can't talk about long-lasting SUVs without mentioning the Honda CR-V. This compact SUV combines fuel efficiency, safety, and sheer endurance. Some early 2000s CR-Vs have logged nearly 500,000 miles, still running strong. Low insurance, great resale value, and Honda's bulletproof engineering make it the ultimate used SUV without problems. If you're planning long-distance drives or daily commutes, this is the SUV that will never quit on you. Number 2. Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner isn't just a vehicle, it's a survival tool. With its 4.0-liter V6 and 5-speed automatic, this body-on-frame SUV is old-school tough. Owners routinely hit 400,000 miles, and with proper maintenance, even 500,000 miles isn't rare. It's built on a truck chassis, meaning off-road strength and durability like no crossover can match. Yes, it drinks more fuel, but what you get is a 4WD SUV with the longest lifespan on the market. Number 1. Toyota Sequoia. At the top of our list, the Toyota Sequoia. This full-size 7-seater SUV is powered by the same 5.7-liter V8 found in the Tundra and Lexus LX 570, an engine known to hit 500,000 miles. It's massive, dependable, and can haul or tow anything. Sure, you'll stop for gas more often, but you'll never stop for a breakdown. If you're looking for an SUV that can take your family across the country and still run 20 years later, the Sequoia is your ultimate pick. Choosing a reliable SUV that lasts forever can save you tens of thousands over time in maintenance, breakdowns, and depreciation. Remember, driving the right SUV isn't just about transportation, it's an investment in your financial future. So, which SUV would you trust to last the next 20 years?